Hi and welcome to John's Maths Book. In this video, we'll be exploring another key concept in mathematics. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please show your support by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. Your positive engagement helps me create more content and allows me to bring you more valuable maths lessons. Without further ado, let's go over to the whiteboard. The complex number z is represented by the point P of xy, and the complex number w is represented by q of uv in the Argand plane, where w is equal to z divided by 1 minus z. In the first part of this question, we want to show that v is equal to y divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And so to begin with, we can let z equal x plus iy. And substituting for z in the equation w equals z divided by 1 minus z, we get w equals x plus iy divided by 1 minus into the bracket of x plus iy. And if we group real and imaginary parts in the denominator, we get w is equal to x plus iy divided by 1 minus x minus iy. So now we want to divide this complex number. And to do this, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Now the denominator is 1 minus x minus iy. So therefore its complex conjugate is 1 minus x plus iy. So we have x plus iy multiplied by 1 minus x plus iy. And this is all divided by 1 minus x minus iy multiplied by 1 minus x plus iy. And expanding the brackets, we get w is equal to x into the bracket of 1 minus x plus iyx plus iy into the bracket of 1 minus x minus y squared. And that's all divided by 1 minus x all squared plus iy into the bracket of 1 minus x minus iy into the bracket of 1 minus x plus y squared. And further simplification gives w equals x into the bracket of 1 minus x plus iyx plus iy minus iyx minus y squared divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And eliminating this term with this term, we're left with w is equal to x into the bracket of 1 minus x plus iy minus y squared divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And grouping the real and imaginary parts in the numerator, we have w equal to x into the bracket of 1 minus x minus y squared plus iy divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And we know from the question that complex number w is represented by the point q. And we want to find an expression for v, which is its imaginary part in terms of x and y. So if we look at our expression for w, which we have here, the real part is x into the bracket of 1 minus x minus y squared divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And its imaginary part in terms of x and y is y divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. Given that complex number w is equal to variable complex number u plus iv, where u is the real part and v is the imaginary part, and by comparing the imaginary part for w in this expression here, we find that the imaginary part v in terms of x and y is y divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And in the second part of this question, we're told that point P moves along the line y is equal to 1 minus x. And we're asked to find the equation of the locus for q. In the first part of the question, we saw that comparing the imaginary parts of the complex number for w in terms of x and y gave us a value for v which equaled y divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And if we had compared the real parts, we would have found that u was equal to x into the bracket of 1 minus x minus y squared divided by 1 minus x all squared plus y squared. And in the second part of the question, we know that y is equal to 1 minus x. And so if we substitute for x in our expression for v, we have v is equal to y divided by 1 minus 1 plus y all squared plus y squared. And so v is equal to y divided by y squared plus y squared, which simplifies to 1 divided by 2y. And therefore y is equal to 1 divided by 2v. And doing a similar thing for the expression for u shown here, where we substitute for the x values, we get u is equal to 1 minus y multiplied into the bracket 1 minus 1 plus y minus y squared divided by 1 minus 1 plus y squared. And simplifying this gives u equals 1 minus y multiplied by y minus y squared divided by y squared plus y squared. And simplifying this gives u equals y minus 2y squared divided by 2y squared, which is equal to 1 divided by 2y minus 1. Now we know that y is equal to 1 divided by 2v, and if we substitute for y in this expression here, we find that u is equal to v minus 1. And to finish, I've plotted the locus of P and the locus of Q on the Argand plane.